EOT question 4. So we have two sections. First is how to count the number of significant digits in a given number. So we have, like for example, the given number can be a whole number or it can be a decimal number. So there are two types of numbers. It can be a whole number or it can be a decimal number. For example, you can mute the microphone. Okay, I will ask you to, because there is some sound coming. Okay, whole number. So sometimes the given number can be a whole number or the given number can be a decimal number. If the given number is a whole number, for example 20800, 20,800, so this is a whole number. There is no decimal in the number, right? Decimal means, for example, if I write 2.800, so this point, that dot is called decimal. So if there is a decimal in the given number, that is called decimal number. So this is a decimal number and it is a whole number. So if the given number is a whole number, how to count the number of significant digit? This last zeros are not counted. Okay, in a whole number, if the given number is a whole number, last zeros are not counted as significant figure. All other digits including zeros are counted as significant figures. Okay, the ending zeros are not counted as significant figures. So in a whole number, if the given number is a whole number, ending zeros are not counted. All other digits are counted as significant figure. So how many significant figure here? Ending zeros are not counted, so I will not count these two zeros. So now there are 208, means there are 2, 0 and 8. There are three significant figures, means three significant digit. If I write 5,000, how many significant figures? It is a whole number. There is no decimal in the number, so it is a whole number. In a whole number, the ending zeros are not counted. So all these zeros are ending zeros. There is no other non-zero digit after this. So ending zeros are not counted. So here there is only one significant figure. Then if I write like this, for example 5000, and any non-zero digit here, for example 3. How many significant figure here? In a whole number, only ending zeros are not counted. All other digits are counted. So here there is no ending zero. It is ending with 3. After 3 there is no 0. So there is nothing to cancel. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant digits. Yes?
So only the ending zeros doesn't count?
Yes, only the
decimal point.
Only the ending zeros not counted in a whole number. What was your question?
But will it count if it has a decimal?
No, decimal number we will discuss after that. Okay, decimal number we will discuss. Now we are discussing the whole number only. Then if the number is like this, for example 1300, how many significant digits here? Ending zeros are not counted. So these two zeros we will not count as significant digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. If I write like this, 6 times 10 to the power 7. So what is the meaning of this? After 6 there are 7 zeros, right? For example, when I write this in normal form, it will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Okay, 7 zeros. So these are all ending zeros. Ending zeros are not counted as significant digits. So here there is only one significant digit. So if the given number is a whole number, how to count the significant figure? Do not count the ending zeros. All other digits are significant, even if there is zero in between two non-zero digits. For example, I will write like this: 30500. Only ending zeros are not counted. Okay, all other digits are significant. So 3 significant figure. If I write 3 times 10 to the power 8, so this power of 10, these are all zeros. These are not counted as significant figure. Now there is how many significant figure? 1. If I write 35 into 10 to the power 3, these ending zeros are not counted as significant figure. How many digits? How many significant figure? 2. Okay. Now we will move to decimal number. How to count the number of significant digit if the given number is a decimal number. In a decimal number, do not count starting zeros. Starting zeros are not counted as significant figure. All other digits are significant figure. For example, if I write 0.00350, how many significant digits here? Only starting zeros are not counted as significant figure. So starting zeros I will not count. These 3 zeros I will not count. So how many significant figure here? 1 2 3. Ending zeros are counted in a decimal number. Only starting zeros are not counted. So 3 significant figure. This is a decimal number, right? So here it is not starting with 0. So there is nothing to cancel. So how many significant figure here? Here 4 significant figure. If I write 0.0100, how many significant figure here? Only starting zeros are not counted. So I will not count the starting zeros are significant digits. All other digits including the ending zeros are significant. 1 2 3, 3 significant figures. If you write 0.004200, how many significant figure here? Only starting zeros are not counted. All other 4 significant figures. 0.0300100, how many significant figure? Only starting zeros are not counted. All other digits are significant. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 significant figures. 1.000, how many significant figure? There is nothing to cancel here. It is not starting with 0, it is starting with 1. So nothing to cancel. How many significant figure? 4 significant digits, right? Then next, when we add and subtract, how to add and subtract, multiply and divide using the correct number of significant figure. Add or subtract, when you add or subtract, you have to write the answer in correct number of significant figures. Okay, so how to do that? And when you multiply and divide also, you need to write the answer in correct number of significant figure. So first we will discuss about addition and addition and subtraction. And here we will discuss multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. When we add or subtract, we should write the answer in least number of decimal place. Okay, answer should be written in least number of decimal place. When you add or subtract, answer should be written in least number of decimal place, written in the smallest number. Least means smallest. In the smallest number of decimal place. When we multiply or divide, answer should be written in smallest number of significant figures. So there is a difference in both. Okay, here smallest number of decimal place. Here answer should be written in smallest number of significant figure. Okay, for example, you are adding two numbers, 2.1 plus 3.05. 2.1 plus 3.05. How to add this? For example, if you are using the calculator to add this number, what will you get? 2.1 plus 3.05. So you will get an answer like this, 5.150. Okay, you are getting like this, 5.150. So if you write your answer like this, your answer is not correct. Your answer is not correct.
Okay, why is it not?
Why it is not correct? Because how many decimal place here? Decimal place means number of digit after the decimal. How many digits are here after the decimal?
1.
Yeah, here there is only one digit after the decimal. So decimal place is 1. Here how many digits after the decimal? 2. So compare this 1 and 2, which is the smaller number of decimal place? 1, right?
Yes.
So answer should be written in the smallest number of decimal place. So
5.1.
yeah, it will be 5.1, but there is one thing. Which digit is coming after 1? 5, right?
5, yeah.
So we need to round this to the next number, okay, because it is 5, right? So we need to write 5.2. Okay, so if I give you another addition, for example, 3.3 plus 4.312. Okay, so when we add this two number, we will get like this, right? When you use the calculator, you will get a 7.612, right? Your answer will be 7.612. Here how many decimal place?
1.
Yeah, 1 decimal place, right? So this way is not correct, right? This will not correct. This is the correct way of writing. Here 1 decimal place. Here how many decimal place?
3.
3. So 1 and 3. Compare 1 and 3. What is the smaller number?
1.
1 is the smaller number. So we will round this answer in 1 decimal place. So how to write the answer? 7.6. I will give you another one.
But I have a question.
Yes.
How can, like, if I get the question like 7.6, there was like a bigger number by its side?
7.6 plus
Like there was a bigger number.
33 for example. Okay,
Okay.
any number, right? Okay, 335 equal. So here there is no decimal place, right?
Yes.
So when we add this, how much we will get? So this will be 42.6, right? 35 plus 7 is 42. So 342.7, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the problem is we should not, here there is no decimal place, right?
Yes.
So decimal place is 0. Here there is one decimal place. So we need to round this to 0 decimal place. How to round this to 0 decimal place? 340, this is 7, right? So next number, okay? If it is 5 or greater than 5, round this to next number.
Okay.
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 Okay, subtraction we will discuss when we are discussing question number 8 from the subtraction, also same rule, okay? Then if you are doing the multiplication and division, for example, we will discuss like this. 3.31 times 2.4. What is the answer here? I will multiply this 3.31 times 2.4. So the answer is 7.944 in the calculator. 7.944. During multiplication and division, we do not count the significant figure. We count what? We count the, sorry, we do not count the decimal place. We count the number of significant figure. Here, what is the number of significant figure in this number?
2.
2 or 3?
3.
Significant figure 3, right?
Okay. 3.
Not a decimal place. Okay, here how many significant figure?
2.
2. So what is the smaller number here, 2 or 3?
2.
So we need to round our answer to 2 significant figure only. Now we have written in 4 significant figures, right?
Yes.
So that is not correct. Okay, we need to round this to 2 significant figures. So how to round this to 2 significant figure? 7.9, right?
Yes.
7.9. Okay.
Okay.
Division also same rule. Then next we will discuss question number 8. Okay, question number 8 from page number 12 of the book. Okay, so question number 8. Question number 8. Solve the following problems using correct number of significant figures each time. You will tell the answer, right, students? Okay. So first one, question A. 10.8 gram minus 10.8 gram minus 8.264 gram. 8.264 gram. Question B. 4.75 meter. 4.75 meter minus 0.4168 meter. 0.418 meter. Question C, that is in multiplication, so I will write this side. 139 times 2.3. 139 times 2.3. Both are in centimeters. Okay. Then question number D. D is 13.78 gram. 13.78 gram divided by 11.3 ml. 11.3 milliliter. Okay, ml is milliliter. Then there is a question, last one, E. That is 1.6 kilometer. 1.6 kilometer plus 1.62 meter plus 1200 centimeter. So here all addition, but given in different units. Okay, so we will start 10.8 gram minus 8.264 gram equal. So first we will use the calculator to do the subtraction. 10.8 minus 8.264 equal 2.536. 2.536 gram. So here you can see in the first number how many decimal place here. How many decimal place? 1 decimal place, right? How many decimal place here? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I
Yeah, how many decimal place?
It's only 3.
3. So when we write the answer should be written in how many decimal place? 3 decimal place or 1 decimal place?
1.
1 decimal place. So we should write the answer, means we should round our answer to 1 decimal place. So it will be 2.5 gram, right?
Yes.
Okay. The next question, B. What's your answer for B? Have you done? When you do the calculation in the calculator, right?
Yes.
How much did you get?
But later I have to do it and
So you did the calculation in the calculator, 4.3332. Okay. Then what will you do?
then would it be 4.33?
Very good. 4.33. Perfect. Meter, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you explain why did you write 4.33?
Because the smallest
Here how many decimal place?
the smallest decimal place is 2.
Here 4, right?
It's 4. Yeah.
Yes.
So I chose the 2.
Very good. Okay. The next we will do the C. Okay. C.
Okay.
You will do, right?
Yes. I got the answer as 319.7.
319.7. Okay. So all in this is in centimeter. This also centimeter, right? So centimeter square, right? Centimeter multiplied centimeter, centimeter square. Okay. See how many significant, because multiplication and division we will count the number of significant figures, not the decimal place. Decimal place is for addition and subtraction only. So here how many significant figure?
Here is 3.
3 significant figure. Here how many significant figure?
2.
2. Which is a smaller number?
2.
2. So you should write the answer in
2 significant.
in 2 significant figures. So you need to round this answer to 2 significant figures. How to round this answer? And there should be only 2 significant figures.
Yes, I don't understand this part.
Say
This question.
319.7, right?
Yes.
319.7, as this one is 7. Okay. When we round this, it will be like this, 320.
Okay.
So if in 320, how many significant figure in 320?
Does the ending 0 count?
No, it is a whole number, right?
It's a whole number.
Yeah, as it is a whole number ending 0 is not counted. So how many significant figure?
2.
2 significant figure, right? So we wrote the answer in 2 significant figure. 319, the next number is 320, right?
Yes.
Okay. The next D, 13.78 divided by 11.3. So first you divide this and say
The number that I got is like, there is a lot of numbers.
yeah, okay, write something. Okay, 1.2 21946, right?
Yes.
Okay, like this. See here, how many significant figure in this? How? 4. How many significant figure here?
3.
3. 3, right? 11.3, 3 significant figure. So you need to round the answer. You need to round your answer to 3 significant figures. How will you round the answer to 3 significant figure? Like this, right? 1.219. So you can write one more digit. So what digit you will write next?
Will it be 2?
2, because the next digit after 1 is 9, right? So if it is 5 or more than 5, we need to write the next number. Okay, so 2.22 gram per milliliter, right?
Yes.
Okay, the next this question, in this type of question adding but different units, right?
Yes.
So what you have to do is everything you need to change into the biggest one. So in this, which one is the biggest one? Like biggest unit, the largest unit, centimeter, meter or kilometer? Which one is the largest one?
The largest one is kilometer.
Kilometer. So we will change everything into kilometer, okay? So we will write everything into kilometer. 1.6 kilometer plus 1.62. How to change meter to kilometer?
Kilometer to meter. Do we wait?
No. How to change meter to kilometer?
Meter to kilo.
Divide by 1000, right?
Yes.
So 1.62 divided by 1000, okay?
Okay.
So it will be 0.00162. 0.00162, okay? So this type of question, adding different units, what you have to do is convert everything into the biggest unit, okay? Plus 1200 centimeter, that also we need to change into kilometer. How to change centimeter to kilometer? Centimeter to meter divided by 100, meter to kilometer divided by 1000. So first I will change 1200 divided by 100, so it will change into centimeter, 12, sorry, it will change into meter, 12 meter, then I will change 12 meter to kilometer, so 12 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.012. 0.012. Next we will add all these things, okay? So equal, now we got everything in kilometer, so we will add this 1.6 plus 0.00162 plus 0.012 equal 1.6136, 1.6136 kilometer. Here how many decimal place here? Only one decimal place, right?
Yes.
Here how many decimal place? 1 2 3 4 5, right?
Yes.
Here how many decimal place?
3.
3. What is the smallest number of decimal place?
1.
1. So we should write the answer in one decimal place, so our answer will be 1.6 kilometer, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Question number 16. A box has a length of 18.1 centimeter, right? So what is the length of the box? Length of the box is 18.1 centimeter and the width of the box is 19.2 centimeter. Width equal to 19.2 centimeter. And what is the height of the box? Means how tall? 20.3 centimeter, right? So height of the box is 20.3 centimeter. The part A of the question, what is its volume? What is the volume of the box? How to calculate volume? If it is a box, volume of the box is length multiplied width multiplied height, right? Volume of box equal to length multiplied width multiplied height. So this is how we calculate the volume. By multiplying all the three sides we can get volume. So length is how much? Length is 18.1 centimeter, so 18.1 multiplied. Width is 19.2 centimeter, so 19.2 times height is 20.3. We will use the calculator. So when I use the calculator, what is the value I am getting? How much?
7,054.646.
How much?
8,054.
Okay, let me check. 18.1 times 19.2 times 20.3 equal, yes, 7054.656, right? 7054.656. Okay, so length is in centimeter, right? This is in centimeter, this also in centimeter, this also in centimeter. So there are centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, right? There are 3 centimeters. So volume will be in centimeter cube. Okay, the unit of volume here is centimeter cube. Okay, then is our answer correct? Actually this answer is not correct in significant figures. Okay, this answer is not correct if you are writing the answer in, if you need to write the answer in correct number of significant digits. For example, here how many significant figure? In 18.1, how many significant figure? Very good, 3 significant figures. In 19.2, how many significant figures? Also 3. In 20.3, significant figure is 3. So we need to write the answer in 3 significant figures. We need to round the answer to 3 significant figures. Here in our answer, how many significant figures? There are 7 significant figures. That is not correct, because in the given values there are only 3 significant figures. So when we write the answer after the calculation, we need to write the answer also in 3 significant figures. So we have to round the answer to 3 significant figures. How to round this to 3 significant figure?
Can be 71,000.
Yes, we can write like this: 7050 centimeter cube. So if you write 7050, this is a whole number and the last zeros are not counted as significant figure in a whole number. That we will discuss, okay, in the next question, how to count the significant figures in a given number. Okay, so this is the answer. Then part B of the question. What is part B? Read part B. Part B of the question is, how precise is the measurement of length of volume? What is the precision of measurement of length? Precision of measurement of length 18.1. So 18 means a measurement is given. If the measurement is given, how to know the precision? Do like this. This is our measurement is what? 18.1 centimeter. So what is the precision? Precision is 0.1. Okay, precision is 0.1 centimeter. Okay, for example, here in width 19.2 centimeter. What is the precision in 19.2? Make means the first digit we will make 0, second digit also 0, the last digit we will make 1. What is the last digit here? The last digit is 0.2, so we will write 0.1 centimeter is the precision. 0.1 centimeter is the precision. Then what is the precision in volume? What is the precision in volume? Precision in volume is, this is the value of the volume, right? 7050 centimeter cube. There is no decimal in volume. So precision of volume is 1 centimeter cube. Okay, precision of the volume is 1 centimeter cube because there is no decimal, right, in this. Okay, then how tall is a stack of 12 of these boxes? The height of the box is 20.3, right? The height of this box. So you are measuring the volume of the box, right? Like this box. So its height is, the height of the box is how much? Height of the box is 20.3, right? 20.3 centimeter. Then if you keep 12 boxes like this, okay, so what will be the length, means height of the 12 boxes, height of the stack of 12 boxes? So that we can add this 20.3, we can add 12 times, correct? Add 20.3 12 times, like 20.3 plus 20.3 plus 20.3 plus 20.3 plus, like that. So if I add like that 20.3 plus 20.3 plus 12 times, I need to write this, right? 20.3, that is actually equal to 12 times 20.3, right? 12 times 20.3. So 12 times 20.3, what is 12 times 20.3?
43.6.
Very good. 12 times 20.3, 243.600, right?
Yes.
243.6 243.600 centimeter, right? The answer will be in centimeter. Okay, so here what we are doing, here we are adding, right? Here we are adding, right? Adding. While calculating the height of the stack of the boxes, we are adding. Here what did we do? Here we multiplied, right? Here we multiplied. So while multiplying or dividing, when we are multiplying or dividing, we will write the answer in correct number of significant figures. While multiplying and dividing, we need to write the answer in correct number of significant figures. Okay, but when we are adding or subtracting, we need to write the answer in correct number of decimal places. While adding and subtracting, need to write the answer in correct number of decimal place. Okay, so here in this one, in 20.3, we are adding 20.3, 20.3, 20.3, like that. How many decimal place is here? Decimal place means number of digit after the decimal. How many digits are there after the decimal? Only one digit. There is only one digit after the decimal. So in our answer also, there should be only one digit after the decimal. How many digits are here in this answer after the decimal? 3 digits. So we should not write like that. We need to write in correct number of decimal places when you are adding or subtracting. So here we are adding, so we need to write like this, 243.6 centimeter. Then our measurement and our calculation or our reading is correct, because the numbers we are adding, the smallest number of decimal place is 1. So our answer should also have 1 decimal place only. There should not be more than 1 decimal place, because in the numbers we are adding there is only 1 decimal place. And here also, but in multiplication or division, we do not count the decimal place. Okay, we need to count the number of significant digits. So here 3 significant digit, 3 significant digit, 3 significant digit. So we will write the answer in 3 significant digit. Okay, we need to round the answer to 3 significant digit. Okay, the next part D of the question, how precise is the measurement of the height of one box of 12 boxes? So precision of the height of one box, 20.3, right? So one box is height is 20.3 centimeter. So what is the precision? If this is the reading, how to write the precision? Make all the digit 0 and only the last digit 1. All the digit 0. Okay, 20 means 2, 0. This we will make 0. Last digit we will make 1. So this is the precision. Okay, precision is 0.1 centimeter. So in volume, sorry, in the height of the stack, height of the stack is 243.6. What is the precision? How to write the precision? Make all the digit 0 and the last digit 1. So 2, 4, 3 all will become 0. Point last digit 1. 0.1 centimeter is the precision in that reading also.